This week, I wanted to play with some fun fall colors and outfits. As the leaves change to pretty browns, oranges, and tans, so do our clothing choices. Let's have fun with fall tones. On Sunday, I wanted to keep with my usual chill vibes. I like to keep it simple on Sundays, and that's exactly what this outfit is. I started with this striped t-shirt. It's lightweight and goes great with solid bottoms. From there, I went with these orange trousers. I feel they add just the right punch of color to the outfit. I finished the outfit off with a pair of mules. This outfit is simple but still cute. It's perfect for a casual Sunday like today. Cardigans are my fall staple piece. Given the weather where I live, it's all about the removable pieces, baby. For this outfit, I started with this tank top. I love the button detail on this shirt, and I think it goes great with this tan ribbed cardigan. From there, I went with a pair of skinny jeans and some ankle boots. This is an everyday kind of outfit that is easygoing and works great for the fall. I love this brown dress. It's lightweight and works great as a base to other pieces. In this outfit, I'm wearing it alone and simply pairing it with a braided brown belt and brown ankle boots. This outfit would work great with the cardigan from before, or maybe even a blazer. However, alone, this dress can make such a great outfit. This sweater was a Walmart find, and I'm a huge fan. You can wear it alone as a button-up cardigan, or you can wear it unbuttoned as an oversweater. For this outfit, I chose to wear it buttoned up as a top. I paired it with this denim skirt and a pair of boots. This is another adorable everyday fall outfit that I'm putting into the rotation. The benefit of living on the sun is the ability to still be able to wear crop tops in October. This thrifted cream-colored top is so dramatic when it comes to the sleeves, but is so comfortable. I paired it with these oversized jeans and then finished the outfit off with a pair of boots. I can't really say this is a transitional outfit. It's really more of a taste of summer in the fall kind of outfit. Blazers are such a fall staple, and I'm glad that I can finally start pulling them out the closet. I kept this outfit simple by pairing this brown plaid blazer with a plain white t-shirt. From there, I added some skinny jeans and finished it off with a pair of mules. This outfit is a nice mix of cozy and business and gives you all the fall vibes. On Saturday, I got to mix two colors that I feel really say fall in all the best ways. I took these tan wide leg pants and paired them with this dark orange tank top. I finished it off with a pair of boots. You could add a cardigan or maybe even a moto jacket if you wanted to dress it up, but I wanted to keep it fairly simple. This is a perfect, effortless outfit that can be built up or just worn very simple as is for a great fall look. that was my week. What did you wear this week? Have you started breaking out your favorite fall pieces? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be updated every time I post. You can also find me on Instagram and my blog, vividlybright.com. Until next time, stay bright, live true, and be vividly you. Bye.